Hi everyone, greeting from Raptor Technologies and I am Venkatesh. We are here to see about this Raptor interactive panel. So this Raptor interactive panel is a touch screen, so where we can use our finger and we can use any of the dummy objects to control the application. So this Raptor interactive panel is installed with OPS, which is called as Open Pluggable System. So this Open Pluggable System will support Linux, Mac and also Windows. This interactive panel has an additional feature where you can use this Android OS also. So with this we can use the .apk file, we can interact, and in case if we have to shift over with the Windows application, we can directly go with this OPS application. And this has an input also, like where HDMI input would be available. So with this, any of the external PCs can be connected. So in case if we don't want to use this OPS, we can connect external devices and we can use this interactive application. And this interactive panel sizes differs from 65, 75 and also 86 inches diagonal. So the software which we will be giving you is called as Raptor Interactive Software. So this Raptor interactive software will help you to interact with the computer application. So with this software, we can save our entire classes based on the date-wise, time-wise and year-wise. And also this software will help you to save in different kind of formats. So this is called a standardized toolbar, and this will be the floating toolbar. And this floating toolbar can be moved across to your convenient places. And the pen which we can select, you can touch, and we can change our pen color. We can write, we can increase or decrease our width of our pen color, and then we can save it. So normally, like when we have to add n number of content in the single pages, there is an option called screen scrolling or else the page moving option. So where we can add n number of content in this particular page by moving this page. So we have a special option called a replay option. So where whatever we have done on that particular page, it can be automatically replayed. So if we have to increase the speed, you can increase the speed also. And this is one advantage. And the next one is like in case if we have to add any pages, there is an option called adding a new page here. So when we click on it, the pages would be added according to the date, time, year. And we have a special option called a shape recognition option. So where this will help you to put any approximate shape that will be converted into a perfect shape. So in such a way, like we have an option called a video recording. So where this video recording will help you to record entire video along with the audio. So for audio purpose, we should have a lapel mic. So this will ask you to record your full screen or else the selected area. For instance, I am selecting this recording full screen area. Since I have not connected my lapel mic, not found audio, and I am just recording it. So it will ask me to save. I am saving it in the desktop. So now you can see the recording is done. So I can minimize it. I can open any third-party application. So now I am going with the PPT presentation. Normally in a PPT case, someone has to operate near the laptop and another one has to give the presentation from here. But here, like you can directly go with your full screen option. By clicking, automatically that will go to your next slide. So if you have to come with your previous slide, you can easily come with your previous slide option also. So if we have to explain certain things, instead of having a stick or scale, you can directly go with your annotation mode, where this will annotate any third-party application. So you can annotate or highlight on your particular option, and this will be saved in a different format. You have a save as option here. This would be saved in a different format. This will not damage your original presentation. And as if like in case if you want to highlight a particular area, there is an option called a spotlight. So where this spotlight will help you to focus on a particular area. You can resize your spotlight and you can move your spotlight. And in case like if we have to discuss any question answers, there is an option called a screen reveal. So where you can hide your important points. So where initially you have 4 different directions. So first initially you can discuss your questions, and after getting the right answers, we can discuss the answers. Here you have 4 different directions, so either way we can move it. So once for a long time when you press it, your right click option will open, so you can directly go with your end show option. So now I am stopping this particular recording. So you can see the video playing. So if the mic is attached, even the voice would be recorded along with the video. So such a way we can record the entire presentation. So in case like if we have to record along with the presence, you should have a camera, web camera, so that will record your presence also. And we have seen the shape recognition here. In such a way we have preloaded images here where it will have a 2D and 3D shapes. So in case like if we have to drag a 2D shapes, you can easily drag any 2D shapes in a fraction of seconds. So we can put our own shapes. So this is a 2D image which we have drawn as a 3D one, but we cannot convert this as a 3D image. But in case like if we have to convert it as a 3D, we have a special option called 3D images. We can click and drag it. So when you click on this image, there would be a small pop-up window here. So click on it. So here you will be having the show 3D option. So when you click on the show 3D option, so you will have the original 3D here. So this can be done only when this 3D application is available. So you cannot convert this 2D application into 3D. So whatever the image is available in your 3D, you can easily convert it. And we have a special application called a screen clipping. So screen clipping is nothing but like instead of drawing a particular diagram and wasting time, we can open any kind of application which the image has. So I'm going with the Internet Explorer, or else like I can go with this human anatomy. So I'm just opening this particular application. So where this has the 3D option also. So where you can zoom in or zoom out. So for instance, if I have to draw this particular diagram, it is not possible in the real life. But in case like if we have to go with this screen clipping, I can directly go with this clipping, drag a specific image which I want to have, and bring it to your software. And the same kind of quality would be available here. So instance, you can save this particular file in your folder. So whenever this image is required, we can just drag it out in a fraction of seconds. And apart from this, like whatever we have done, it would be showed in this format. So we have almost done 5 different pages. So all these 5 different pages would be saved here. So in case like if we have to export it, you can directly go with this export option where you can export it as image, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, PDF and HTML. So in case if we have to send it as a mail, you can directly go with this email option. If the Outlook is configured, you can directly send it as a mail, or else you can attach this particular file in Gmail and you can send it. And one more thing is like you can open any kind of application here. Like normally we will have this PPT, PDF also. Those kind of third parties application can be easily imported here. So this is all about this interactive panel, and this interactive panel has an inbuilt speaker and also it has an inbuilt mic also.